So in solving it, just as you are solving normal, completing the square, you now take the constant to the right hand side. Next, you now divide both sides by coefficient of x squared. That is, you should make the little coefficient to be 1. Now you observe, what is the coefficient of x here? B over a. What is the half of b over a? Times 1 over 2, which gives you b over 2a. Then you square it. So you are going to add to both sides half square of coefficient of x, which is b over 2a all squared. Now, in the next step, you now factorize the left hand side. To do it, don't panic. It looks somehow, but don't worry. Just forget about what is at the center here. Consider the first and the last. Then you pick this one as x and plus b over 2a all squared. Yes, because if you open this bracket, you get this one back. So which one will be equals to minus c over a plus, you remove this bracket now, which will give you b squared over 4a squared. Now next you add this one now. The LCM of 4a squared and a is 4a squared. So 4a squared. So 4a into 4a squared is 4a. And you multiply this one by, multiply 4a by minus c. Of course, you get minus 4ac plus 4a squared into 4a squared is 1. And 1 times b squared is b squared. So you have b squared. So you continue from here. So here you have x plus b over 2a all squared will now be equals to b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Next, we now find the square root of both sides. If you do that, these two will go. So now you have x plus b over 2a equals to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. I'm making progress. Next, this b minus b over 2a, take it to that side. So that it becomes minus b over 2a plus or minus. Now let's see. The square root of this one, b squared minus 4ac over 4a, 4 and a squared, they have square root. So the square root now will become 2a. Now you add what you have here. The LCM of a, 2a and 2a is 2a. I'll give a space here. So x now will be equals to this one. The square root will be 2a. 2a into 2a is 1. 1 times minus b is minus b. So you have plus or minus here. So 2a into 2a is 1. 1 times all of this thing here. 1 time is the whole of this. So it becomes square root of b square minus 4ac. That is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Follow my Facebook page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll be very happy if you can share this video. See you in the next class.